Hello everyone, I am Raghunath, member of Group 1 PEC101 Critical Thinking Skills, and I'm doing Diploma in Medical Assistant. So in this video, I'll be sharing about my portfolio, which I'll be explaining on how I'm going to apply these PEC101 Critical Thinking Skills in my daily lives or my academic activities. So I'll be sharing two activities here. So the first activity is when I conducted an event called MUST, Medical Assistant Sharing Talk, and my role for this event is a moderator. So earlier I was having exams, and right after my exam, I get to know that I got this task as a moderator for the event. So how I applied critical thinking skills here was, firstly, I tried to affirm myself that yes, I can do this. Next, by trying to avoid disturbance or distractions, and I try to stay together with my team so that I'll get the vibes or vibrations or the environment, so it'd be helpful for me to get focused on what I'm doing. After that, I try to rehearse repeatedly so that I can remember more. However, during the event time, not everything went as smooth as I thought. Meaning I actually forgot certain stuff. So in this case scenario, I had to use my logic. I didn't get panic, but I used my logic. Meaning I must know that I have to ask the right contents to the right person at the right time, so that the ideas or messages that the alumni is trying to give gets conveyed to the students. So if you notice, this is how actually from my own critical thinking skills, I managed to become a moderator for this event, and things went successfully actually. So yeah, that's for my first activity. Alright, for my second activity, I had a role of being a driver for a temple devotee. So there's a devotee who actually approached me and requested to become a driver for a event which is happening in Pahang. But the challenge here for me was I only had 1 day time, which means I have to decide this within 24 hours. And after 2 days, I'll be having quizzes, assignments, and presentation, which I had to hand in actually. So I'll share on how I actually use these critical thinking skills in this particular case scenario. So what I did was, since I know that I'm having a lot of tasks I have to settle earlier, after the event, so I try to divide these tasks into 1.5 hours like that. So I put it into one subject. I'll be covering one subject for 3 hours. So within these 3 hours, I'll be dividing into two, meaning 1.5 hours I'll be doing my revision for this subject, and also another 1.5 hours I'll be doing my presentation, editing and all. So by this, my studies won't get bored. At the same time, my task gets completed, and the most important thing, the motive, the next day the event gets succeed. I'll be able to drive the van and bring all these devotees to that place. It was tiring, but still it was challenging more into my critical thinking skills on how I'm going to divide these tasks and manage my whole event. So that's for my second activity. Thank you.